Okay, good morning, fellow speakers and esteemed participant. It is an honor for me to be here at the International Conference of the Education for All under the inspiring theme Harnessing Deep Learning for Personalized and Adaptive Education in the AI Era. I am Deo Madedwiki Putra Nugraha from Dujendra University, Denpasar, Indonesia. Today, I will share a conceptual framework titled Leveraging STEAM Learning and Solo Taxonomy to Cultivate Deep Mathematical Understanding in Primary School. This framework explores how to integration of STEAM learning, interdisciplinary approach with the structure progressions of solo taxonomy that can foster deep transferable and adaptive mathematical thinking in young learners. Let me start with the background of this purpose. So, in the educational context in Indonesia, mathematics mastery is a very important aspect that needs to be discussed in preparing an increasingly competitive generation up to the level of a world's community. Meanwhile, the reality of today proves that the mathematical ability of the Indonesian students, especially at the elementary school level, is still far below from expectations. This has already been reflected um, in PISA 2022. Indonesia met score in just 366 below OCDC's average that indicate a significant gap mathematical proficiency. The state of mathematical abilities among students in Indonesia clearly speaks of conceptual problems that are basic. Finding reveals a fact that students face difficulty in applying mathematics to real-life practical situation, especially under normal circumstances where the conventional methods are used by the teacher. And therefore, students do not develop a deep understanding of mathematics. It makes an impact constraint on the ability of students to solve problem critically, which is highly demanded in learning nowadays. So it needs innovation. To address these issues, we need innovations of learning aggregation. Learning should foster active engagement and relevance, and students must be involved and see connection to daily life. Integration of STEAM and solo taxonomy can be a solution because it is combines creative context with a cognitive progression, aiming for meaningful and sustainable learning, prepare students for long-term academic success. This is the figure that shows a pyramid of STEAM concept. STEAM education emerged from society growing needs to versatile, multi-faith talent, and has evolved through the successive framework of STS to STEM, and then lastly in STEAM, forming a richly layered interdisciplinary research-oriented educational model. The STEAM, which are science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics approach, is an integration methodology perceived to improve mathematical comprehensions among learners by the fusion of art with science. Rather than abstract drill, STEAMs begin with real-world scenarios, organizing learning around problem or project-based investigation. This model prioritizing active hands-on engagement, students immerse themselves in practical experimentation and exploration, weaving together insight from science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics to construct integrated knowledge during each learning activity. STEAM approach allows for deeper learning experience, emphasizing collaborations and integrations across disciplines, which enhance the overall understanding of mathematical concept. In addition to the STEAM approach, the application of the SOLO, which is structure of observed learning outcome taxonomy in mathematics education, is potential to enhancing metacognitive skill and fostering deep understanding among the student. Here's the figure of the SOLO taxonomy concept. The SOLO, or a structure of observed learning outcome taxonomy, is an educational framework developed by John Biggs and Kevin Collis that categorize learning outcome based on the complexity of student understanding. This taxonomy provides a clear description of students' learning achievement and facilitates the development of teaching strategies that can encourage deeper learning and foster a metacognitive awareness among learners. In the Solo taxonomy, there are 5 levels of understanding that illustrates the progression of student knowledge. It starts from pre-structural, unistructural, multi-structural, relational, and extend abstract. Studies have indicated that the implementing of the SOL taxonomy in mathematics instructions can enhance students' problem-solving capabilities, metacognitive awareness, and critical thinking, making it a valuable tool in mathematics education's landscape. So, to make it realize, the research method that I use in this purpose is literature review with qualitative approach, analyze and synthesize existing research finding. The data sources, which are academic journal, books, research reports, policy documents, ensures diverse and credible references. The instrument that I use is literature analyze guided to identify theme and concept that can help structure the review process. Data analyze, content analyze to group data into themes, organizes information into relevance categories. Okay, there is 2 things that we need to consider before we do the integration of STEAM learning and solo taxonomy. First one is how to integrate STEAM and solo. STEAM provides creative and real-world context. So we know that it gives students meaningful reasons to learn mathematics. And in the other side, solo offers structured cognitive progressions, guides students from basic to advanced understanding. Activities tailored to each solo level can ensure the learning meets students' current abilities. The second one is key implementation factors. Clear learning objective aligned with curriculum that focus instruction on targeted outcomes. Then supportive learning environment and growth mindset encourage persistence and resilience. Differentiated instructions and continuous formative assessment can it will be or it for adapt teaching to student needs. And the lastly is cross-disciplinary teacher collaboration that can integrate knowledge from various fields. By ensuring that these 2 things are guaranteed, it is possible to develop a deep understanding of mathematics. This is realized through the triangular concept of deep understanding of mathematics itself, as shown in the following picture. So we have to know that conceptual understanding supplies the richly connected knowledge of mathematical object and the underpins genuine insight. While mathematical thinking embodies both strategic competence, the ability to formulate, implement, and reflect on the solution plan and adaptive reasoning. Okay, here is an example of integrating this model into a mathematic learning segment. I've break down the Solow taxonomy levels, which each level can be integrated in several options of STEAM learning activities, as you can see in this table. From pre-structural, that the characteristic of the student understanding, it's quite limit, yeah, limit understanding, a little bit confusion, and lack of basic knowledge. So you can focus on intro to basic concept and vocabulary tools in STEAM learning that you can provide. And then in unistructural, which the characteristic of student understanding is basic recognition, but no connection between ideas. So in STEAM learning activities, we can focus on understanding one idea or one procedure that, for example, me measure one object's length, identify a material, follow one design step, and so on. And in multi-structural, that characteristic of the student's understanding is knowledge not yet integrated, but it has recognized multiple elements. So the focus of STEAM learning that you can provide to student is handling a multiple component, such as measure all sites, list material properties, build pattern, identify machine, and so on. Yeah, and in the relational level, which the characteristic of student understanding is has a connect and integrates ideas, and they can apply knowledge meaningfully. So in this team learning, you can focus on solve problem, explain relationship, which activities is design structure with math constraints, analyze experiments, explain gear system, geometric art, and so on. So, in conclusion, integrating STEAM and solo taxonomy enhance deep mathematical understanding, combine creativity and structured thinking. It is support 21st century competencies that can prepare students for a complex future. And these frameworks can be offer practical solution to improve low math literacy in Indonesia. It can bridge the gap between theory and practice. Integrating STEAM learning with the solo taxonomy offer a powerful pathway to nurture a deep mathematical understanding in primary education. As an educator, as a researcher and innovator, our mission is to design learning experience that are meaningful, personalized, and adaptive to ensuring every child has the opportunity to reach their fullest potential. I hope this conceptual framework will inspire collaborative efforts to transform our classroom into vibrant space where a young learner can explore, connect, and apply their knowledge with confidence. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to meaningful discussion that will continue to shape the future of education together. Thank you.